New technology requires new techniques and new procedures.
Like that stuff that comes out of walls, electricity. When I want some, I plug into the socket, and when I'm done, I unplug.
Gavin,
What, Truman?
well, you grabbed it by the cord to unplug it.
You should grab the plug. Just like electric shift wires, you grab the plug, not the wire.
And we even have fancy tools for this to help pull on the plug in order to preserve the wire.
If you're using another tool, like the IR 1.3, to route the system, here, again, we use the tool to plug it in to our socket.
But now you're going to go remove it from the tool, and you're going to use the tool again to remove it from the tool. And that preserves the wire again.
A tool for the tool, that's the charged topic from Park Tool.